To use Daily Cash on Apple Card. Start by understanding what Daily Cash is. Daily Cash is a rewards program that gives you a percentage of your purchase back as cash, which is added to your Apple Cash card in the Wallet app. First, make sure you have an Apple Card and the Wallet app on your iPhone. If you do not have an Apple Card, you can apply for one through the Wallet app. Once you have made a purchase with your Apple Card, the Daily Cash will be added to your Apple Cash card at the end of each day. You can earn Daily Cash on every purchase, with no limits or rotating categories. To redeem your Daily Cash, open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap on the Apple Cash card. You will see the total amount of Daily Cash you have earned. You can use this cash to make purchases, pay bills, or transfer it to your bank account. To transfer your Daily Cash to your bank account, tap on the Apple Cash card in the Wallet app, then tap the More button, and select Transfer to Bank. You will need to have a bank account linked to your Apple Cash card to transfer the funds. You can also use your Daily Cash to make purchases online or in stores that accept Apple Pay. Simply select Apple Pay as your payment method and choose your Apple Cash card to use your Daily Cash. To get the most out of your Daily Cash, make sure to use your Apple Card for all your purchases, as you will earn Daily Cash on every transaction. You can also use the Daily Cash to pay off your Apple Card balance, which can help you save money on interest. In summary, using Daily Cash on Apple Card is a simple process that requires you to have an Apple Card and the Wallet app on your iPhone. You can earn Daily Cash on every purchase, and redeem it by using it to make purchases, paying bills, or transferring it to your bank account. By following these steps, you can get the most out of your Apple Card and your Daily Cash rewards.